Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show step-by-step process how you can easily set a price alert in Etoro. So what you want to do is go to top right when you're gonna have portfolio. You want to just simply click on the watch list here, and you want to go top right to settings, and then you're gonna see set price alerts, and then I'm going to click this one. And then you're gonna set alert of 47, this one 633 on Tesla, and you can really have as many alerts as you can. And when you're gonna click on an alert, you can remove it or update it, or remove it. And when I'm going to click again, I need to create it again. So, or you can go percentage. So notify me when NEO reaches -5%, you will get a alert. Or set percent to 10%, update alert, or remove it. So this is pretty much and done. But you can also do it not only this way, that you will gonna click set price alerts, but just click here and set the price alert here or here, right? So that's pretty much it, how you can do it. And yeah. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.